Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be going out kayak fishing. I've got the dry suit on, as you can see, and it's pretty cold. It's still like 35 or so. It should warm up a bit, like maybe 50 or so. I'm hoping a bit warmer. Sun's out at least. Today I'm going to be doing some sturgeon fishing. My friend Connor's been out here. He did really well yesterday. He got over 20 sturgeon. I'm hoping for one. But problems have already hit. I charged my battery all night for my fish finder and it's dead this morning. I think the switch on my power bar accidentally got switched off. Hopefully that's the end of the bad luck and I can get on some fish. We'll see how it goes. I'm Brett and this is Peeling Line. And good news, the fish finder is actually working. I guess I didn't hold the power button long enough or something. That. Holy crap, that was a sturgeon. There we go, I think we're going. Man, he feels like a giant. This is taking a while. I don't know who's gonna get tired first, him or me. Feels like me. I don't even think he's that big. Oh yeah, well, maybe a 5-footer. Gotta stay out of the channel here. Boat coming. Oh crap. Hooked. All right. Here we go. I don't know if that's 5 feet or what. He's a big boy. All right. Didn't take long at all. Just gonna sit him free. Here we go. Wow, that was fun. The day has just begun and I'm all wore out. Just got him on some anchovies, the cheap stuff. Get it from the Chinese store, Chinese Asian market, whatever you want to call it. But he hit that thing pretty quick. And that's my homemade sinker. It's just with the standard sturgeon rig you can get at any store. Then I got some miracle thread or spider web or whatever the hell you call it. And the rain has just begun. Well, that's the nice thing about a dry suit. It also doubles as a raincoat. Be sweet if I could get a 60-incher though. Or a, no, that one was probably 60 inches. 5 feet probably. But a 6-footer, get a fish that's bigger than me. I've caught several fish bigger than me, alligator gar, white sturgeon, but they were all on guided trips. So I would like to get a bigger than me fish on my own. There we go. Alright, quick release on this one. Oh, after a little pause. There you go. There we go. There's a little one. Just gonna quick release this guy. There he goes. Just so I can get back to fishing, catch his mom. I might actually try a different bait here. I got salmon bellies as well. Good to save them on salmon season. Or you can buy them at the Asian market too. Along with the don't leave fish to find fish, switching up bait that's working isn't always a good idea, but it's nice to see when the fish are biting if something else will work. There we go. Feeling line. Oh, I think this is the 6-footer, if not way more. He's right here. starting to doubt whether I'll even be able to get this one in. My friend Connor said he lost some big ones. They just broke them off. Bent out hooks even. Okay, this one's tail is definitely bigger than that first one. So I'm hoping that means he's longer. Oh, look at this monster. Holy crap. This is a freaking beast. Oh my God. Just never dealt with a fish this big from a kayak. Oh, look at him. Yeah, baby. Oh. Oh, God. Looks like we might have fish and wildlife here. Shoot, I think I'm gonna have to get to shore. Look at this beast. Holy crap. Oh my God. Yes. Just gonna keep her in the water here. Oh my God, that's definitely bigger than me. That's easily 6 feet. Holy crap. What a beautiful animal. Oh man. Ah, you're not going anywhere. Ah, yeah. Need a photo. All right, yeah, that's easily 6. Oh yeah. Ah. Shoot. Well, all right, he broke off the rig right at the end. It was all tangled around the rod. Oh, but what a fight. That's awesome. I'm exhausted. I achieved my goal of getting the 6-footer. And I'm all tired out. But let's see. I've only been fishing for 2 hours. That's fish number 4, definitely the biggest. So I'm gonna get rigged up and get out there. So that was the combo salmon belly anchovy. Oh yeah, good fun. Gonna say thanks to my friend Connor for putting me on the spot. He wasn't lying, this is hot. He got 20 yesterday, I can't believe it. Well, I guess I can because of how many I've got in such a short period of time, and this is my first time out here, and he's really experienced. I was gonna stay till 5, but I might just leave at lunchtime or so. Damn it, it didn't even take the photo? Damn it. Well, hopefully the GoPro's video doesn't get corrupted, because that was a beauty. So much fun. Alright, that's gonna do it for me. Could fish more, but my bait's all turned to mush. I really should have brought an ice pack for it, and I'm out of salmon belly. I just had the one, but you know, it was a good day. Got a bunch of sturgeon, one that was bigger than me, which I really wanted, and yeah, I can still go and make this video, do some stuff at home. Till next time.